Hi, I'm Raph Hymas, Product Manager for Massey Ferguson High Horsepower and Specialty Tractors here in Australia and New Zealand. Today, I'm pleased to present the new Global 5700 Dyna 4 tractor from Massey Ferguson. Let's take a look at some of its features. So as we're all familiar with the current range of Global and S-Series tractors from Massey Ferguson, the model numbers denote the series and the horsepower. In this case, 5710 is 100 horsepower. Within this range there's a 5711 which is 110 horsepower. The main difference with this machine over the current Global series is the addition of the Dyna 4 power shift transmission. So the engine in this range is one that we're already well familiar with. It is the AGCO Power 4.4 litre 4-cylinder engine that's already widely in use in the range. So from a servicing standpoint or your daily checks, very, very simple and easy. For instance, just a quick, easy slide out screen so you can blow out any chaff that might accumulate around the radiator. Air cleaner is located right there, battery immediately below it. You've got a very compact but comprehensive cooling package. So I'll just drop this bonnet. Another feature we're familiar with is the heavy duty front axle, which is ideal for loader work. Now this tractor is not loader ready, but it can be ordered as loader ready from the factory, and it's an ideal robust front axle for any type of general loader work. So Tier 3 emissions, the main difference that we see is the exhaust mounted in line with the A-pillar, which really allows good forward visibility, which is again ideal for loader work. All of your maintenance checks can be done from this side of the engine. So you've got your oil dipstick here, oil filter, so it's nice and easy to do your daily checks. So the 5700D comes out of the factory with a quality Mitas radial tyre, but there are a wide variety of other tyres in combinations to suit whatever application you may need. Let's carry on and have a look around the back at the linkage and PDO. So at the business end of the tractor, we've got a heavy duty 3-point linkage with a lift capacity of 3.4 tonne at 700 mil beyond the ball end. We also have standard from the factory 3 hydraulic remotes with a flow of 98 litres per minute. Also, on a tractor of this class, a very nice feature is the cab suspension. So at the front of the cab, it's mounted on rubber isolators. Up at the rear, you've got gas-charged coil-over shock absorbers. For convenience, you've also got switches on the guards, both right and left, to adjust your rear linkage arms up and down, which is ideal for hooking up implements. Let's take a look in the cab. We've got a lot of things that are familiar in here. We've got a training seat next to us. We have the familiar Massey Ferguson power lever, so forward and reverse shuttle, as well as upshift, downshift in both forward and reverse. The immediate thing you notice is the fact that the exhaust is hidden behind the A-pillar, which is fantastic. It gives you really good forward visibility. As we come around to the controls, we've got our 3 hydraulic remote levers here. Then you've got all your light switches, so your rotating beacon, your wiper, and then your work lights. Our linkage and draft controls here. Draft control, your linkage maximum height, and your linkage rate of drop. And a really nice feature for this particular tractor, it goes along with the Dyna 4 transmission, is the brake to neutral function. So engage, disengage, and then this button here combines the output of your 2 pumps. So ideal for loader work, and when you press the brake, it automatically neutralises the transmission, and then when you take your foot off the brake, it commences movement again, just like we're used to in the 5700S series. PDO engagement switch. Right here you have diff lock and four-wheel drive. Your hand throttle. And here there's another function of the Dyna 4 transmission which is familiar already, but now we have it on the Global Series tractor, is you can set a memory, an engine speed memory. You push your throttle lever to select the RPM you want to run at, and then you press this button here and hold it for 3 seconds, and it memorizes that engine speed. Likewise, we've got the familiar T-handle. This is your shifting function, so you can shift up, shift down, and then to go between ranges, you can push that button in and shift into the next range. So I hope you've enjoyed the walk around of the new 5700D range of tractors. I'm actually quite excited about it. It's the first time I've seen it, and there's some really, really nice features that are going to fit into the market very, very well. Anyway, I'm feeling really excited about it. I hope you've enjoyed it, and thanks very much for watching.